Look at my hair. My hair has like almost never done that. I can't remember a time when my hair did that, if it ever did that.
Been trying to forget, but you won't let me.
Hey girls, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brianna B. If you're new here, if you're not new, welcome back. Today we're getting into just a little style. I'm pretty much like refreshing the last week's style and just kind of turning it into something new. As you can see, girl, the hair is stiff, fresh out of the scarf, but we're gonna rejudge her up, rejuvenate her, and refresh these curls. Last week's video was so much fun for me. I'm already on the hunt for my next style. I've already took to Pinterest and did another search, okay? Or really, I just looked in the saved ones I already have from the last search. But yeah, I'm super excited to continue trying more hairstyles. And if you guys have any suggestions, send them to my DM on Instagram and I'll try to recreate the look that you want. Okay, so now that I have the braids out of the way, to refresh my curls, I thought I was going to use water, some more styling custard, and maybe a little bit of the wet line gel. But girl, all I used was water. My hair already had the products in it. It just needed to be reactivated with a little bit of water. And I'm so happy that I got this on camera because I think this is super important for me to tell you guys. Sometimes you don't need more product. You just need water to reactivate what you already have in your hair. That's a tip. Okay, that is a tip, a trick, a hack, a little nugget, and it really saves you a lot of product. If you think about it, you're saving your product, you're saving your hair from buildup by just spraying some water on it and working the product through. And as you will see, girl, a little bit of water went a long way for me. Okay, so here's where the magic starts to happen. You want to section your hair into smaller sections. You can kind of tell already my curls are starting to pop. My hair has expanded and really is soaking in that water and getting re-moisturized. But to take it a step further, I went on ahead and sectioned into smaller sections because I wanted really defined curls and coils. Okay, so I'm just going in again, and literally all I'm doing is spraying water on my hair. I didn't use any additional product, nothing, absolutely nothing, y'all, just water, and using my hands to massage it in and rake it through. And then I'm also going to use my pattern detangler brush, the shower brush, and I'm going to go ahead and detangle and brush through that, which is going to help me smooth and coat each and every strand with the products. Look at this. And you want to take your time with this brush because you don't want to rip your hair out, and make sure your hair is damp enough or wet enough so that the brush glides through easily. Look at this. This is my type 4 hair, okay? Look at how it just curled up. It's just beautiful. Now, shrinkage is real, as you'll see as we get further along in the video, and my hair does shrink up a lot. However, I'm not mad at it because it's a sign of healthy hair, which I'm happy about because I want my hair to be healthy overall. And this is easily one of the easiest styles I've done, y'all. So easy, does not require much. Only one thing, water in your hands and a good brush, and that's it. That is it. The fact that my hair has already been like what I'm trying to say, the fact that it's already been styled, like it already has product in it, makes it a lot easier. And I feel like this would be great like if you're on the go, like just to refresh your hair in the morning, although it takes a bit more time, especially if you want your curls super defined like I want and like I'm doing here. However, like it doesn't take much. Like it's not messy, it's not too much thought into it. You literally just wetting your hair, and you honestly could probably wet it in the shower a little bit, and then when you get out, just kind of brush it through and your curls will pop that way as you get ready for the rest of your day. But girl, I am loving this shower brush first and foremost. Like look at my hair. My hair has like almost never done that. I can't remember a time when my hair did that, if it ever did that. And then here's a shot of the back because I had to show y'all the back. I'm just in awe. My hair looks so good. It's so healthy. It looks so moist and like, look. I'm so happy. You know what? I probably should not say the word moist because there are so many people that don't like the word moist. Like, did y'all know that? I learned a few weeks ago that there are a lot of people who really are offended by the word moist. So we'll say hydrated instead, but at this point I probably said the word like 3 or 4 times. But anyway, my hair looks great. The brush really does its thing. I'm just going to continue to refresh my curls until I finish all the hair, really. And then I'm going to go ahead and style it in a cute curly half up, half down claw clip style. So yeah, I'm going to let y'all watch. Let y'all get the tea, okay? Let y'all see all the sights, because I don't know. I really find it soothing to watch people define their curls. So I'm going to let y'all just watch me. And then I'll be back and we'll go ahead and style with the I keep saying claw clip, with the claw clip.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging on myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like, oh yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out of my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you.
Now at this point, it's time for me to style my hair. I didn't want to wear it down because I've been wearing it like that for the past week. So I wanted to try and just style it up a little bit, see what I could do, what I could create. And what I decided to do was take a claw clip and just do a cute little claw clip style. So yeah, I'm just taking a little bit of the top and we're going to do a half up, half down. Now, like I mentioned before, my hair has already started to shrink up a lot. So the style wasn't really giving what I wanted it to give. What I should have done, hindsight's 2020, is I should have dried my hair completely and then stretched the curls so that then it can give a more full look to the style, which I feel like would have made it look how I envisioned it looking. However, this is still cute, but the way I have my claw clip right now, that is not how I'm gonna keep it, because for some reason, like in the moment, like it didn't look that good to me, but on camera it doesn't look that bad. It looks pretty cute and whatnot, but in the moment I was like, this is not giving what I wanted to give. But yeah, you could also just opt to wear it down. Like, look at that. I don't know, something about that is not right. That part in the back, it just wasn't right. But yeah, like I was saying, you can choose to wear it down if you want to, girl. You know, just refresh your hair and rock it like that. But I think next time for sure I'm going to dry it completely and then stretch the curls so we can see what that looks like, because I think that's gonna be really, really cute, and it's gonna give the full effect that I was going for here. Take your favorite claw clip, you twist it on around, and you just clip it in place. And you know, I tried to hide the braids as best I could. And yeah, this is what I came up with, girl. Let me know what you think. It looks cute. That braid right there, I didn't see that. Okay, I would have tucked it if I saw it, so don't mind that. But folding the hair down rather than up really helped a lot for me. I like it better like this, flip down instead of up. So yeah, now I'm just taking this braiding sheen spray and the braiding gel and just sprucing up the braids and my edges a little bit, just to kind of bring the style all together, make sure everything is nice and slick and polished. And that's pretty much it, girl. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Of course, I'm gonna go ahead and outro y'all out in a few seconds, but look at me trying to get a cute little hair shot. Y'all, my hair is so short. The shrinkage is real, but I'm gonna stick beside her, and I'm gonna see y'all in the outro in 2 seconds. That's all I have for you guys in this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, sprinkle me into YouTube's algorithm, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, check down under this video. It takes literally 2 seconds and see if you're subscribed. If you're not, click the subscribe button and hit the bell to be notified each and every time your girl posts a new video. That's all I have for you guys in this one, but I'll catch y'all in my next one. Bye. Should I be like bye, or should I say bye girl? I kind of like the bye girl because I say that in like real life. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.